Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a cute bunny, so let's get started. First, draw a curve downwards. And then curve to the right. And then curve outward. Then now, we will draw the bunny ears. Slowly. And then connect the head. And draw the ears again. And now we will add detail to the ear inside. Draw a short line. And a curve. And the other side too. Then now, we will draw the eye. 2 circles. And then add the eyebrows. Draw the nose shape like a heart. And then the cute mouth. Now I am going to draw 2 curved lines. And then a curve here. And add some white color to the eye. Now we have finished bunny. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.